Amidst protests on Raksha Bandhan, protesters tying Rakhi to policemen who had set up barricades to stop protesters from reaching the Kolkata police headquarters. Medical staff and students tied Rakhis demanding justice in the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital rape and murder case. Doctors, including those who've been summoned for allegedly spreading misinformation, also marched to the police headquarters. Dr. Kunal Sarkar and Dr. Subarna Goswami appeared before the Kolkata police. Several other doctors joined them in a protest to march to the police headquarters.
Baseless allegations. Baseless allegations.
The police allege misinformation, but you're a reputed doctor in the city.
You are responsible. We are leaders of responsible organizations. We have never spread any misinformation. So all these are bogus and baseless allegations. And this is nothing but an ill attempt to gag the whistleblowers.
2 doctors in Kolkata have been summoned by the Kolkata police for alleged misinformation. We tried speaking to one of these doctors. These doctors said they haven't said anything that is untrue, and they haven't said anything that is, of course, misinformation. But the police say that certain comments they made on different platforms amounted to misinformation, because while they may have quoted certain documents, those documents, like the postmortem, doesn't exactly say what they have been saying on these platforms.
This as the CBI continues to question former RG Kar Medical College and Hospital principal Shandip Ghosh for the 4th consecutive day. The agency has also received permission for a polygraph test or lie detector test on the accused, who was arrested by the Kolkata police. The police have also arrested a 23-year-old Kirti Sharma for calling for the assassination of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on social media. The lawyer for the victim's family, Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya, also admitted that the information about the 150 mg semen being found was inaccurate, which the police say was shared by doctors as well. Bhattacharya also questioned the offer of compensation to the family, which is mandated by guidelines of the National Legal Services Authority, which says compensation must be paid as expeditiously as possible.
This is the attitude of the Chief Minister, and whenever there has been an occurrence of rape, she will rush to the victim's family, pay money and try to shut them out. These are all nonsense. You have to wait till the investigation is over. Then you pay compensation, definitely. What we feel that there was availability of 150 milliliter, not gram of fluid. And that someone misunderstood, saying that semen. Nobody can say whether semen without having forensic examination. That was the initial impression of the parents. That might be wrong, but that doesn't mean that the existence of fluid is ruled out.
The BJP also hit the streets as the Trinamool demanded answers from the CBI on the progress of the investigation. 5 days have passed since the central agency took over the case, and there has been no statement on the investigation of the case.
Protests are happening all over by Resident Doctors Association, by AIMS RDAs, not just in Delhi but in Patna as well. In Kolkata, of course, protests continue at RG Kar Medical Hospital. In this area right now, BJP is conducting a protest, a black Rakhi protest to symbolize against the rape and murder of this young trainee doctor.
The Trinamool Congress alleges lack of information and pace of the probe is allowing more misinformation and giving ground to the BJP to hijack the protests on the issue. The Trinamool says there is a BJP-led conspiracy to remove Mamata Banerjee from power.
We will continue our protest. Arresting 5 people, 10 people or even 100 people will not stop our protest. We have asked for permission. We have gone to the High Court. We are waiting for the order. We will continue our protest. It's not just for one day. We will continue it till, our Abhaya gets justice and Mamata Banerjee, our Chief Minister, resigns.
देखिए, ममता दीदी जो कह दिया था, ऑनरेबल सीएम, ये संडे के अंदर ये क्लोज होना चाहिए था. अगर कलकत्ता पुलिस में हाथ में होता तो ये संडे के अंदर क्लोज हो जाता. लेकिन अभी तो सीबीआई के हाथ में है. डेडलाइन क्रॉस कर गया. आज कल परसों हम लोग जानता नहीं है ये क्या करेगा, लेकिन कोर्ट का डेट है मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 23rd of August. तो कोर्ट का डेट है, क्योंकि वो जो 1 person arrested by कोलकाता पुलिस, and Kolkata police has done their job.
Amidst the continuing protests which have turned political, the West Bengal governor has flown to Delhi after attacking the state government over women's safety, leading to more speculation about the political turn the incident has taken. With Tanushka Datta, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.